In this skill, we're going to be identifying acids and bases as strong or weak. Let's set up a table with our common strong acids and strong bases. So our strong acids, we've got 7 of them. The first 3 are hydrochloric acid, hydrobromic acid, and hydroiodic acid. Then we also have nitric acid, sulfuric acid, chloric acid, and perchloric acid. Those are our 7 strong acids. Then for strong bases, we've got 8 strong bases: lithium hydroxide, sodium hydroxide, potassium hydroxide, rubidium hydroxide, and cesium hydroxide. Then we also have calcium hydroxide, strontium hydroxide, and barium hydroxide. So all we need to do in these questions is compare the acid or base provided with this list. If it's on the list, it's strong. If it's not on the list, it's weak. We can look at the periodic table to help us remember these. For the strong bases, it's anything in this section here. So it's these first 5 of our group 1 metals, and then it's these 3 of our group 2 metals. For our acids, we've got chlorine, bromine, and iodine, forming hydrochloric, hydrobromic, and hydroiodic acid. The other 4 strong acids you just have to remember. So let's go ahead and try this question. This question is asking about cesium hydroxide. It tells us it has the formula CSOH. So we're going to look at our table. Does cesium hydroxide appear in this table? Yes, it does. Here it is. So that means it's a strong base. So we can fill that out here. We're then asked, does it fully or partially dissociate when dissolved in water? Well, remember, strong means fully dissociate, and weak means partially dissociate. So if we have a strong base, as we do here, that means it must fully dissociate. Let's do one more question of this type. In this question, we have benzoic acid, which has the formula C6H5COOH. So we need to find out, is this a strong or weak acid? So looking at our table, it does not appear in the table. Therefore, it must be a weak acid. Secondly, we're asked, does it fully or partially dissociate when dissolved in water? Well, we know it's weak, so that means it's going to partially dissociate when dissolved in water. So these questions are really straightforward. Literally all you need to do is compare the formula given with our list here. If it's not on our list, it's not strong, it's weak. If it is on our list, then it's strong. And remember, strong acids and bases fully dissociate when dissolved in water, and weak acids and bases only partially dissociate when dissolved in water.